Hi there. If you're new around here, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen from Karen Yoga Life, and I'm a certified yoga teacher based in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm also the founder of Bloom, which is an online yoga and wellness membership for women. So I created this channel because I'm passionate about helping you live healthy, happy, and pain-free. Especially pain-free, because I know, having experienced it myself, that as you get older, those pesky, annoying, frustrating joint pains start to sneak in. But it doesn't have to be that way, and I want to help you to use yoga to relieve, manage, prevent your joint pain. We're also going to talk about a lot of other great things about yoga and wellness tools to help you live happy, healthy, and pain-free. So hope you stick around and like and subscribe for ongoing yoga and wellness videos. Hope to see you.